Santa brought me these. Santa in the form of the hot blonde that I sleep with. So what we have here is we have some hex and Torx keys on a little holder. I don't have anything like this for my EDC toolbox. I have basically my hex keys are all just in a pile, and I don't know what size they are. I just have to hunt through to find the ones I want. So this should be helpful to have. So let's open this up. Get these off of here. Oh, well, that proved not to be as easy as I thought. Let's see. Now, interesting. The card it's on is not paper; it's plastic. I guess that's maybe that's to discourage theft. I'm not positive. Come on. You're gonna be a booger. So what we got is, let's see, this is metric, and we've got metric from, it says 1.5, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. So that covers a decent range of sizes. And on the Freedom unit side, we've got 5 64ths, 3 32nds, 7 64ths, 1/8, 9 64ths, 5 32nds, 3 16ths, 7 32nds, and a 1/4 inch. So there's a pretty good range of sizes on there. So for any kind of small little jobs, that should cover that. And on this, the Torx is T9, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, and 40. So again, that should cover a fair range of sizes. So